Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I am teaching a valuable chapter of coordinate geometry, transformation of coordinates. Transformation of coordinate. Change the origin without changing the direction of the axis. Direction of the axis not change, only changing the origin. So let OX OY be the set of rectangular axis referred to which the coordinates of an arbitrary point xy. Here P xy. Okay. And let us suppose the O dash coordinates of O dash is equal to HK. So this is H and OM equal to X. So X equal to OL plus LM. Let the point P, the coordinate of P is X dash Y dash. So OL plus LM is equal to X. So X dash plus H is equal to X. Similarly, that is Y in regard to the origin O, and that is Y dash in regard to origin this, and that is K. So K plus Y dash is equal to Y. Now the transformation from one pair of rectangular axes to another with same origin. Transformation. This OX you transform theta angle. So this is OX dash and this is Y dash. And let the coordinate of P in regard to this axis be Y dash, and so PM is equal to Y dash and OM equal to X dash. But in regard to this origin here, that is Pn equal to Y and On equal to X. In regard to XY, in regard to this angle is theta, and these are parallel. So this angle theta, so this must be theta. This must be theta, and that is 90. So that is 90 minus theta. Okay, that is 90. So this is theta. Okay, as because I do not say previous. From P, draw a perpendicular PM and draw a perpendicular MK and draw a perpendicular PT, and that's why these are parallel. So this angle and this angle are alternate same, and that is 90 minus theta, that is 90. So this angle is theta. Now ON, what is ON? ON is equal to OK minus NK. OK, NK means TM. So OK minus NK is equal to ON. So X is equal to OK. OK means means this is X dash. So X dash cos theta. So X dash cos theta, X is equal to, and TM is equal to, that is Y dash. So TM is equal to Y dash sin theta. So X is equal to OK means X dash cos theta minus NK means TM, Y dash sin theta. So X is equal to X dash cos theta minus Y dash sin theta, and that is another is MK. Okay, another Y is equal to what is y? Y is equal to Pn, Pn is equal to Pt plus Tn, Tn is equal to Mk, Mk is equal to, that is x dash sin theta, and Pt is equal to x dash y dash cos theta. So Pt y is equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Okay, after solving you get x dash is equal to x cos theta, y sin theta, y dash is equal to minus x sin theta, y cos theta. How you can and to remember, you note this point: to find x dash y dash in term of xy, we are to write minus theta for theta for minus theta, and interchange x in x dash, then you get this. Okay, otherwise you solve from this you get this. Okay, but this is the process to remember. And if you make the chart this x y, x dash y dash, then x equal to x dash cos theta, y dash sin theta. Okay, minus sin theta minus y dash theta, y equal to x dash sin theta plus plus y dash cos theta, and x dash is equal to x cos theta, y sin theta, y dash is equal to minus x sin theta, y cos theta. Okay, so this is you remember this chart very minutely. Okay, thank you so much. But I am interested to say, if you like my video and my class, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.